Now I'm going to show you what all the things that comes in the ELISA kit. So this one is CMV ELISA kit. So for different viruses, different kits come. So this one is the PVY ELISA kit. So we'll see what all things are there inside the ELISA kit. So here we can see the Microtiter plate. It has 96 well, and this plate is made up of polystyrene. We have our antibodies here. 2 antibodies we are going to use in DAS ELISA. So I'll show you the protocol now. So this is the protocol of DAS ELISA, where first we are adding 1 layer of antibody, then the antigen, and then again the antibody. That's why it is known as double antibody sandwich ELISA. So the second antibody is linked with an enzyme, and after that we'll add the substrate which will do the color reaction. If color reaction is there, we can say that the antigen is present in that particular sample. So if the virus or if the antigen is present, the color will turn to yellow. So the ELISA is a very sensitive method. So here, since we are using 2 antibodies, these antibodies are also very specific to the antigen, and it will bind to 2 different epitopes of the antigen, like this. So the next thing which comes in the kit is the extraction buffer. So this extraction buffer, before use, we need to first dilute it. It is in very concentrated form. And then there is our positive and negative control. This one is the negative control, which comes in the kit itself. This one is the positive control. Then this one is the conjugate buffer. This one is the substrate buffer. So for the substrate buffer, in this substrate buffer, we are going to dilute this one. This one is the PNPP tablets, which will do form the color reaction. So that's all. These are the things that comes in the ELISA kit. Thank you. So today we are going to perform the DAS ELISA. So for that, first we are going to collect some samples like this. So there are different kind of ELISA: direct ELISA, indirect ELISA, sandwich ELISA, and competitive ELISA also. So here we are going to perform the DAS ELISA. So I have collected some samples. We'll use some Ziploc bags like this. After collecting the samples, we will securely lock the Ziploc bags, and we will take it to the laboratory. Using extraction buffer, we will extract the sap out of it and use it for our test.